what's up my friends? My name is Bill. Welcome to Cars That Last. On today's video, how long will a BMW 3 Series last? Now before we get started, I always want to say thank you to my subscribers. My YouTube channel is growing. I appreciate it. If you like this kind of material, I've got more videos coming. Consider hitting that subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the little bell that'll alert you for new videos as well. So are you thinking about buying a BMW 3 Series? I've got some great information, some great data. I consider myself to be a car analyst. I scour the internet looking for data on particular cars, and I want to share that information with you to help you make informed decisions and hopefully save you some money as well. Now in this video we're going to talk about the BMW 3 Series. Now it's a fairly popular car, and the 3 Series is the entry-level BMW. BMW likes to consider themselves the ultimate driving machine, and I'm not going to doubt that a BMW is not a very well handling car and certainly fun to drive. But is it good for your wallet? BMWs are good looking cars. The 3 Series BMW is a timeless look. It's affordable right now in the used car marketplace. You can find a lot of these $5,000, $10,000. Actually, I found a really good one. It was a 2004 BMW 330 Ci convertible for less than $5,000 in California. I put it in my video of the top 5 convertibles for less than $5,000. You can take a look at that here. Now we're going to talk about problems with the BMW, reliability, and I've got some very important statistics to share with you. So there are two main problems that you want to take a look at with BMWs. There are actually 2 recalls right now. One is for a wiring issue for the heating and air conditioning that could increase the risk of fire. Make sure that if you own one of these or considering one of these, that has been repaired. Issue number 2 affects 2007 to 2011 BMWs. That's a valve heater that could rust and lead to fire. So you definitely want to make sure you get those repaired, or if you're looking for a used one, make sure that has been fixed. Reliability of the BMW 3 Series. Is it a reliable car? Let's look at what Consumer Reports says about the BMW 3 Series. The newer ones, obviously in the first couple of years, they're going to be fairly reliable, but as these cars age, as they get 6, 7 years old, they start to wear out, they start to fall apart. As you can see on the Consumer Reports, the number of greens in the newer cars, they start to disappear as they get 6 to 7 years old. The other important thing with BMW 3 Series is you must maintain these cars. It's not like you can just buy the Toyota Camry and forget about it and just do oil changes for 200,000 miles. That might work with Camrys, but it's not going to work with the BMW 3 Series. Change the oils, change the fluids, make sure that you're staying on top of any other service items. Now the BMW 3 Series is also going to cost you some more money for your wallet for repairs. Let's take a comparison of repairs of a 2005 BMW 3 Series. The cost of a starter is about $128. Now, in comparison, a cost of a starter for a 2005 Toyota Camry is going to be about $65, or roughly about half the price. So repairs are going to cost you more money in the long run. And finally, let's look at some statistics of what's out there in the marketplace for BMWs. This one blows me away. We're going to do a side-by-side comparison of the BMW 3 Series versus the Toyota Camry. Now in my research, I did a search for BMWs and Camrys for less than $10,000. So for the BMW, there were 756 cars out of 4,273 cars that had between 150 and 250,000 miles for sale. There were 0 BMW 3 Series above 250,000 miles, and there were 0 above 300,000 miles for sale across the United States. In comparison, the Toyota Camry had 6,098 cars for sale, less than $10,000 across the United States. 2,300 of these cars had between 150 and 250,000 miles, or 37.7% of all the Camrys for sale for less than $10,000. Of which 105 of these had more than $250,000, and 30 of these had more than 300,000 miles. So how long will a BMW 3 Series last? I would say these cars might make it up to the 200,000 mark. I know there's viewers out there right now that have more than 200,000 miles on your BMW. I would love to hear your comments, your experiences, and how much did it cost you to keep it going and maintain. BMW 3 Series can be an expensive proposition to last a long time. I would certainly probably stay clear of these based on the data and the statistics. Now, I hope you found this information helpful. I would love to hear your comments. What are your experiences with the BMW 3 Series? Consider hitting that subscribe button. I've got a lot more great videos coming your way. Thanks so much for watching. Be safe. We'll see you next time.